Now you see Atu-ere. Once Atu-ere is not up to 2 months, you notice it. This particular ede you see here, go and uproot it. This small. The seeds are always small. Pick them, gather as many as you can. Let me raise my voice because one of my closest brother here says he was going to repost this video. He does very well. Okay, escorted. People can follow him. He posts a lot, and his videos equally make sense. Gathers information from different angles and edit the videos and posts. So this particular ede you see here, Anaboya ede more. Uproot it, bring out the little seeds, pound it. Before then, you can wash it with palm wine. Then, when you have open, I told me Joyibo, Makandi obodoze motachiyem neku. And when you have opete, some people not wear opete, some people not wear opete. Now, wash it. Pick very few of it. Wash it, pound it together. It will all turn black, somehow black. Now, use another opete water. Wash the surface of that Atu-ere. That's why. You use your hand. Wash the surface of that particular soil. Wash it with that mirror betan. It will be itching the person. Then use this thing just like plaster. Cover the surface of that Atu-ere. After 5 days only, the Atu-ere dries up. If it dries, it will look like a baby capsule or a beterenzu. This is the way it will look. Now, otherwise, if grandpa does it those days, if a native doctor or a herbal doctor wishes to deceive you, they will use nzu or odo. They will mix it together with odo or nzu. That odo or nzu does not work anything there. The major thing that works there is that opete, and majorly this thing. What this thing works is it will dry it off. Now, for you to try this thing, I'm telling you, to see how effective it is. If you get to the village, uproot this ede, pound it, just scrub it at the back of your hand. It will be itching you immediately. Gradually, the surface of that place will dry. You will see that even your own normal flesh, if you drop it there, the thing will itch you. Enjoy it. At some point, it will drag that place, to drag it as if it's squeezing it. It's a secret that you don't know. This thing Atu-ere now, native doctor mix here in a cup. If he mixes it inside cup or mix it in your absence, this is where he will charge you 800,000, 1 million naira. Atu-ere. This one is number 1. 2, the Atu-ere depends. But no matter the style of Atu-ere it is, this thing will dry it off. But what may happen, Obo, it is better to treat that thing outside the area where you got it. Because is a problem. He goes back to repeat another one. Are you listening to me? Then what happens when the Atu-ere gets to bone? Remember, in days of old, even when people were facing this kind of illnesses, I also need you to remember that that time. Help me share this video if you've not shared it. What makes you a strong man is when you begin to observe nature the more. Opete is monkey sugar cane.